Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and in this video, we are going to work on the exercise 9A. This is our third episode on this exercise. The topic of this chapter is integration, and this is the course book of the Pure Maths 1. And this is the syllabus content of the paper 1 of the Cambridge International AS A levels mathematics 9709. So we have already done two exercises, two episodes on this exercise, and this is our third episode. In our previous episodes, we have completed the question number 1, 2, and 3. And today in this episode, we are going to work on the question. We are going to start the work from the question number 4. And then let's see how many questions we can do. So let's start from the question number 4. So before going into the question, let me show you uh, the question number 4. So I hope you can see the question number 4 on your screen. The question number 4 and the question number 5, they both are showing. You can take this photo because we are going to solve them. Find each of the following. Okay. So the question number 4, it's A part. And the question number 4 and its A part is. So A part I am going to attempt. It is integrate 12 x raised to power 5 d of x. Okay, so the 12 will come outside, x raised to power 5 d of x. So it will be 12, and when you integrate this, you know the power is increased by 1, and with the same number I divide, and plus c. So it's 6, and this is 2 x raised to power 6 plus c. So let me check the answers, sir. Question number 4, and it's A part 2x raised to power 6 plus c. The answer is perfect, is right. So let's do the next one. We will do work on the B part now. We are going to work on the B part. Question number 4, and it's B part. That okay. So question number 4, and it's B part we are going to work on. Here we have as integration of the 20 into the x raised to power 3 d of x. Okay, so 20 x raised to power 3 d of x. This 20 will come outside, and then you will have x cube and its dx. So when you integrate x cube, its power is increased by 1 with the same number you divide plus c. So 5 and x raised to power 4 plus c. So the answer is 5x raised to power 4 plus c. The answer is correct. I hope you understand. This is how you do the question number 4, and it's B part. Let's do the next one. And the next one is the C part. Okay, the C part is we are working on question number 4, and it's the C part. Here we have integrate 3x raised to power. We have 3x raised to power minus 2 d of x. So 3 will come outside, x raised to power minus 2 d of x. And this 3 and x in minus 2, you will add 1 power, and with that you divide, so plus c. So it will become minus 3x raised to power minus 1 plus c. So that will be minus 3x, bring this x downstairs, so plus c. So it will be minus 3. Let me write it again, you see, because it's little wet, so that's why it's not clear. Okay, so this is minus 2 plus 1. This is x minus 1. This is 3 plus c. Okay, because this is not, I think, visible in the video. So minus 3 divided by the x plus c. Let me check the answer, sir. So this is d of x. Okay, so let's check from the book the answer. Minus 3 by x plus c is the right answer, sir. Okay, so we are done with this. Okay, now we will go to the next part, which is question number the question number, that is the question number 4. Question number 4, and it's we are going to do the D part. Okay, it says the integration of the 4 by x cube into the d of x. Okay, now bring this 4 outside, bring this x cube upstairs into the d of x. So this will become 4, and the power will be increased by 1 with the same number you divide. Okay, so you will have here it will become 4x raised to power 4 and 2 will be cancelled, so you will get 2. The x power will be minus 2 plus c. So that minus 2 power, that can be written downstairs. So you will have 2 divided by the x square plus c. So 2 divided by the x square plus c, let's check. Minus 2, sorry, there was a minus also. Here we have a negative, negative. Okay, so the answer is minus 2 by the x square plus c. So this is how you will do this question. So this is question number 4 and the D part on your screen. Let's go to the next one, question number 4, and it's E part. Now we are going to work on the question number 4 and its E part. Question number 4 and its E part. Okay. Question number 4, beta, its E part. It says integrate 2 divided by 3, and here you have under root x into the d of x. Okay, so this 2 by 3 will come outside. Here you will have x raised to power minus 1 by 2 into the d of x. 2 by 3, and the x you will increase the power by 1, and so this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will come here plus c. So this is 2 by 3. Then when you bring it upstairs, it will reciprocate. This will become 2 by x, and this will become x raised to power 1 by 2 plus c. So this becomes 4 by the 3 into the x raised to power 1 by 2, which can be written as the square root of the x plus c. So I think this is the answer, sir. 4 under root x divided by the 3, okay, plus c. So this is the answer. I hope you understand this. Okay, let's do the F part. This is the question number 4. Yes, that's good. My son is telling Dada is back. Okay, so then we are going to attempt the question number 2, and it's question number 4 and its F part. In the question number 4 and its F part, we have this question, integrate 5 divided by the x under root x into the d of x. Okay, this is x under root x. Okay, so 5 will come outside, and this will become 1 power and the half power. This will become 3 by 2 of the d of x. So this will become, bring it upstairs, minus 3 by 2 into the d of x. Increase this power by 1 when you integrate. Okay, minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So you are left with minus 1 by 2, that you will divide with it. Okay, plus c. Bring this upstairs, so it will be minus 2 by 1 into the x raised to power minus 3 by 2 and plus 1. So you are left with the minus 1 by 2 plus c. So this will become minus 10. Bring that downstairs, and this is the answer, sir. So this is how you do. Let me check the answer, sir. It says minus 10 by under root x plus c. So we are done with the question number 4 of this exercise. This was our third episode on exercise 9A, and the chapter 9 is all about the integration. This is Pure Maths 1's course book. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and I am from the Sargodha, Pakistan. And the purpose of this video is to provide the guidance for those students who are in AS mathematics and their basic mathematical skills are weak, so they need step-by-step guidance from their teacher. So I hope that this video will be very helpful for them. If you find this video interesting and helpful to you, and you think that this video can be helpful to other students please share the link of this video with them. When you like my video, when you share the link of my video on your social media accounts, it's a great support and appreciation for my work. Your support and your appreciation is very, very important for me. So thank you very much, everyone. Have a good day. Bye-bye. God bless you all.